Guys, good day. We have a MacBook Air model A1466 today. So we will see if what's the problem with this device and what's the solution. So now we will try to charge. It is not charging. Not charging, no power. So guys, let's open the device and check what's the problem. So guys, this is what I've seen so far. Look at this. These are food or something. But surely it will cause corrosion on the parts. First thing we do, remove the battery. Clean some of this dust. Guys, after cleaning those dust, yeah, uh, I did not see any liquid. So what we will do now is remove the battery and try the charger on. Now it's charging. as you can see, the orange light. And I hear the chime, and now I saw the Apple logo. And guys, it's on. So what could be the problem? We will shut down. See, as you can see, the orange light is coming, so it means it is charging. Now what we do is we will put the battery. Now guys, we put the battery and we will try to charge again. Yeah, now it is charging. And now I hear the chime and Apple logo. So now guys, I think the device is working. I did not do anything of it. I just first removed the battery, then put the charger. That's it. Guys, if you know what is really happening, please comment below. And I have a lot of experience like this before, and I cannot really explain to the customer what I did. I just removed the battery and put the charger. It turned on, then put back the battery. It works fine. So I don't know. See, it's all working. Now guys, we will try the power button if it's working. Yeah, it is working. So guys, this is the shortest repair that I did today. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and hopefully it will encourage me to do more videos, to do more vlogs, and to be able to share a little knowledge about Apple repairs. Please subscribe, and take good care, and God bless.